Hola, soy yo, Vicky, otra vez. And in today's video, we are in Break the Language Barrier book level 3, and we are looking at prepositions again. The second part of the section 34, which is all about prepositions. And these are prepositions of place. And, oh, sorry, my phone's ringing. Let me just turn that off. Quite often, I don't edit my videos, so, you always get something interesting that happens. It could be the dog barking or the phone ringing or something. But anyway, so prepositions of place on page 76. Basically, this video is just for the pronunciation, as you know. So let's pronounce these words, these prepositions of place. So we have sobre, enfrente de, entre, en, detrás de, cerca de, lejos de, delante de, dentro de, al lado de, encima de, fuera de, a la izquierda de, a la derecha de, and debajo de. Now, you will have had to find out what they all mean. That was part of what you had to do. And then you were asked to describe the classroom using as many prepositions of place as possible. Now, obviously, I can't check your maybe you don't come to classes here, so you can't describe this classroom. If you don't have a classroom to describe your living room, describe your bedroom, describe your garden, or make it up. It doesn't matter. It's just a question of trying to put some context to these prepositions. So I'll give you an example. I'm going to describe this classroom, which unless you've actually done classes here with me, you don't know what it looks like. But see if you can imagine. Okay, so let me see. So, enfrente or delante de mí hay un ordenador sobre la mesa y estoy grabando un video para YouTube con este ordenador. También en la mesa delante de mí hay dos móviles, hay unos libros y hay unos pañuelos. A la derecha de mí hay tres otras mesas, hay varios libros también sobre o en las mesas. A la derecha de mí hay un escritorio grande, que es mi escritorio donde normalmente hago las clases. Encima del escritorio hay una botella de agua, hay unos pañuelos y unos papeles. Debajo de la mesa hay una papelera para poner la basura. Let's see, what other words can we use? So, dentro de la papelera hay mucho papel. Al lado de la papelera y el escritorio hay una estantería, hay dos estanterías grandes con muchos libros. So another one that I haven't used that I can use. A ver. Sobre mi escritorio hay una botella de agua y dentro de la botella hay agua. Y a ver, entre esta mesa y mi escritorio, que está a la izquierda, Entre estas dos mesas hay una luz para hacer los videos. Y fuera de mi clase está la calle y mi coche. So, fuera de la clase está mi coche en la calle. Y lejos de la clase, muy lejos de la clase, está la playa. ¿Vale? Okay, I've tried to use all of them. I hope you understand that okay. Let me know if you don't. Let me know if you've got any queries. Please put comments in the comment box, any questions you want to ask. Might just be the question that somebody else wants to ask also. Okay, vale. So hopefully if you found that video useful for your pronunciation practice or for using the prepositions, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet and you think you would like to see more videos, please think about subscribing. It's completely free. It doesn't cost any money. But anyway, vale, muchas gracias por todo y te veo muy pronto en el próximo video y hasta entonces, como siempre, que tu Dios vaya contigo. Gracias.